intrusion detection and prevention video. In this video we're going to set up Snort to do our intrusion detection and prevention. We're going to start it off in monitoring mode, and later on when you're comfortable you'll be able to turn that into blocking mode so that Snort will detect and actually block threats or events that it perceives to be threats. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Package Manager and install it. So just search for Snort and in the available packages and go to install, and you're there. So you can see that I've already done it. So we'll go to Services, go to Snort. We need to go to Add. It's enabled. We'll want it on the Lan interface, and we'll give it a description. We want it to go events to go to syslog. If we were centralizing our logs, that'd be useful. And if we were going to block offenders, this is where we'd do it, but we're not going to now. Okay, we hit save. You can see that it's in the stop state, and it's blocking is disabled, so it's not blocking. It's on the LAN. Okie doke. So if we go to edit and we go to Lan Categories, now you'll see there's no well, there's a lot of categories here, but we don't want to go through that. We want Snort to do all that for us. So what we need to do is we need to go to Global Settings and enter our OINC code, which you can do by going to snort.org, getting a free code. The only thing you need to do in Global Settings, really, strictly speaking, is to insert your OINC code there. Once you've done that, you should go to Updates, and for the first time, click Force Update. It takes about 5 minutes, and then you will see that your Snort has been updated. Okay, so back to edit and to categories. We'll then be able to go to use IPS, choose connectivity, and this will auto deal with everything here. We don't need to do anything with that, and we hit save. We do have other options here that get more sensitive, but I find connectivity is right. Maybe you want to go to balanced after that. Okay, so along the top here we've got alerts. When this has been running for a while, you'll see alerts. You'll see lots of alerts appearing. You'll have the option to add them to a suppress list, which basically means that you accept them, be them a false positive or just a threat that you accept. You can deal with that in this section here. If anything that actually is blocked, if you had blocking enabled, would appear here, and you can manage it here. And suppress, this is where if you do choose under the alerts to suppress anything, they'll appear here. You can edit them at this point. Enable Snort. To do that, we simply hit the go button, we wait for it, and it will become active. This can take a few seconds. It shouldn't take minutes, and then you're right to go. Thank you very much.